Hello friends, in this video I will be showing you that how you can extend the trial period to more than the time which is given by the pythonanywhere.com website. As we know that this website provide us hosting, and it is valid for at most 3 months, and after that the website get discarded from their site and we can't use that. So to extend that, we will be showing the way. So here you have to type this python anywhere login and hit enter. Then you will be landing this same page, and wait. So now you have to click on this, and after this you have to enter the email id and password of yours. So I have already entered my email id and password, so it will not be remembering me for that. Actually my net is slow, we have to wait. So here it is. So I have hosted a website, and now I will be increasing its validation period. So we have to go on this web tab. So here you can see that here Friday 12 March 2021 it's written. So we will be extending this period to more than this March. So after clicking on this, run until 3 months from today, this will be changed, you can see here. So here now it is from the previous day, it is 29 March. Okay, so it had been increased by some days. So it is from my side. If you feel helpful this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.